Crease, and girl, it is super 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 fierce. This is one cut crease that I actually like how it looks at the end, because when I do a cut crease it does not look good at all. It looks really bad. So I'm really happy on how this look turned out. So if you want to learn how to get this fiery like cut crease realness, fierceness, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to grab this Wet n Wild palette in Not a Basic Peach, and I'm going to grab I think I'm going to grab this one right here. Now I know I want to do a cut crease, and I want to do something really pretty and something that I usually won't do, so that's what we're doing today. So I'm just going to put that right in my crease and just blend that out. I'm also going to wing it out. So right now it looks super bad, and it looks like really weird and disgusting. But once we clean it up with like concealer and stuff, it's going to look way better. And once we like finish with the eyes and put on our lashes, it's going to look way better. So yeah, I'm just going to keep applying this color until I like how it looks. And then we'll move on to a different color to make it a little bit darker than it is now. So we're going to go in with the same palette and a different brush, and I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm just going to put that like really into the crease. And yeah, so I'm going to do the same exact movement, so go all the way here, all the way out, but really keep this in the crease. This is looking like a real harsh, but we're almost done. We're going to be cutting the crease soon, so it won't look this messy. But I want to grab, I think I want to grab this one right here. Yeah, I think I want to grab this one. So I think I'm going to take that color and do the same exact thing, just to make it a little bit more, just to bring color back to it. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna take a little bit at a time. I'm not gonna put a lot in the crease. I just want it to come back to life because it's kind of looking a little bit gloomy, so this color will make it a little bit more pop, you know what I mean? So I cut the crease, and girl, she is fierce. I haven't done a cut crease in a hot minute, so I'm actually glad that this actually turned out pretty good. Like, I really like how this is looking. So because usually when I do a cut crease like this, like a actual like cut crease, it kind of goes downhill and I kind of carve out my crease a little bit too much, but I think this is pretty good. So I carved it out with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Ivory Clair, and I just took a little bit of this and I just carved it out, and it looks pretty good. So what I'm going to be doing now is setting that. So I'm going to take a white, actually, I'm going to take my Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm going to take the translucent extra coverage one. I used to have just the translucent one, but now, since I ran out of that one, I got the extra coverage one, and yeah, I only used it once, so I don't know if I really like it or not. I don't know if it's like the same or if it actually gives me more coverage, so yeah. So now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this color right here, which this color has to be one of my favorite shimmer shadows in the palette. I know that this is like hitting pan. That's because like I used to use that as highlighter. So, I'm going to take that color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to apply that on my lid. But I'm not going to apply it back here. I'm going to apply it and make it fade out starting right here, and like make it like an ombre effect. You know what I'm talking about? Just like that. So I kind of just faded it out on the lid. I took it a little bit further and then started fading it out, but that's okay. You could do whatever you want, whatever you think will look cute or whatever. Now I think, I don't know if I want to do a wing or not. I don't think I want to. I think I'm just going to put a thin line of the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner, and then I'm going to do, actually, I want to use this liner, this Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liner. If you've been following me for a hot minute, you know that this used to be like my holy grail. I would use this every day, and then the Ciate London came along. But I want to use this. I'm just going to do a thin line, but I still want to use it. And then I'm going to put some mascara, and then my lashes, I have no idea which pair I want to go for. The Grand Glamour ones from Eylure or the Platinum Princess. I don't know which one. They'll be down below in the description for you guys, because I probably will forget to tell you guys. But if I don't, then, you know, I'll tell you guys when I put them on. But if I forget, it'll be down below in the description for you guys. So, yeah. And then I'm going to do my full face off camera. And then I'll be back with you guys with like the rest of the stuff that I'm going to be doing with you guys. So I'll be right back. So my lashes that I use are the Glamour ones. I was going to go for the Platinum Princess ones, but then I felt like they were not big enough, like boom. So I just went with these, and these look pretty good with this look. Like, hello. So I'm going to take this small little brush right here, and I'm going to take the color that we put in our crease, the first color, and I'm just going to run it on the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to grab the second color that we put in our crease, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to do the same exact thing. I really want these colors down here to really be close to the lashes and the waterline. Now I'm just going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and take that color that we took earlier, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I just really want the crease to be the same color down here, so I'm doing the same exact thing that I did to the crease. Now I'm just going to put some powder under my eyes and put mascara on my bottom lashes. So now the lippy that I'm going to go for is this Kokie. Is it Kokie? Cookie? I don't remember the brand. Kokie? Cookie? I don't know. But this is a Kissable liquid lipstick from them, and it's called Mad About Mauve. And I'm just going to plop this on, you know. Now for my brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm going to take this Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. And I'm going to take the white in the palette, and I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone and inner corner. And yeah, I think we're done with this makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you're new, and also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Comment down below if you really like how this looks. I really like this cut crease. I'm usually not really good at cut creases because I don't know why. I'm just usually not really good at them. But I really like how this one turned out. You could change the lip, you could change the color. I would totally actually use, like, have this as like maybe a purple would look really cool, or a green or a blue. That would look really cool. Maybe we'll try that on my own time. But yeah, so I really like how this turned out, and I hope you guys did also. So give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video and you like how this turned out. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!